How do you do, director, teacher, and hello everyone. My name is Penning Fa. I am 11 years old. I come from Cambodia, Phnom Penh City. I am a student and I study English Time 3 at Skyline International School, The Clapran. Today I learn about grammar. Let's get started with me. Grammar, present continuous form, positive subject plus to be plus verb ing. Example, I'm studying English now. Number 2. He is watching TV right now. Negative subject plus to be plus not plus verb ing. Example, number 1. She isn't eating pasta. Number 2. We aren't playing football. Question, to be plus subject plus verb ing plus question mark. Example, number 1. Is she doing exercise? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Number 2. Are they talking to me? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Using definition, the present continuous is used to talk about action that is happening now. Not, to be, am, is, are, isn't, is not, are not, am not, verb ing, verb plus ing, I am, you, we, they, are, he, she, it, is, you and I are, Phnom Penh is, Pizza is, the cat is. That's all for my lesson. Goodbye, good luck.